Hello everybody. In this video we will try to understand the 16th nakshatra, the Vishakha nakshatra, which varies from 20 degrees of Libra to 3 degree 20 minutes of Scorpio. See, Vishakha is a Jupiter's nakshatra. Every Jupiter nakshatra, you take any Jupiter nakshatra, 3 padas of a Jupiter nakshatra, they lie in airy sign, and the 4th pada comes to a watery sign. Every Jupiter nakshatra's 4th pada starts a watery sign. You take Punarvasu for it starts Cancer. You take Vishakha for it starts Scorpio, the watery sign, another watery sign. You take Purva Bhadrapada 4th pada, that starts Pisces, another peak watery sign, right? So every 4th pada of a Jupiter nakshatra starts a watery sign. So here Vishakha nakshatra, it consists of 4 stars. See, every nakshatra consists of some number of stars. Similarly, Vishakha nakshatra also consists of some number of stars which are 4 in number, right? See, in our previous videos, if you observe, Ashwini nakshatra consists of 2 stars, right? And Kritika consists of 7 stars, and Hasta consists of 5 stars. Arudra, 1 single star, right? Arudra, 1 single star. And then take Rohini, that is also 1 single star, right? And you take Chitra, 1 single star, right? So like that, every nakshatra consists of some group of stars. Some nakshatras may consist of a single star. That means nakshatra, there are so many nakshatras, so many stars, but among them only a few are impacting the human life. That was invented by our ancient Vedic seers, right? So you can clearly understand, you can see these nakshatras work very, very well. Of course you need to check the whole horoscope to get some more clarity on the native, but nakshatras never deny the energies, right? See, Vishakha consists of 4 stars. Those 4 stars form the left half of the hanging scale shape formed by Libra, right? So Libra is generally represented by hanging scale, and the left half of the hanging scale of this Libra area, right, consists of this particular Vishakha nakshatra. So these stars, they have some names in the modern astronomy, but all these stars are part of the, basically, the 3 padas basically are the part of Libra, and a part of this one is actually in the sign of Scorpio. And if you see the visual magnitude in the 4 stars, the least visual magnitude is 2.61, and this 2.61 is the least visual magnitude, so it has more brightness, because visual magnitude is inversely related to the brightness. And you can easily spot these stars, in the area of Spica, if you observe in the night sky. In the modern astronomy, you just observe Spica, so near to that you can clearly see Vishakha nakshatra, and our ancient Vedic seers saw this particular Vishakha nakshatra as forming the shape of a forked branch, and these stars in the Vishakha nakshatra, they actually, this whole Vishakha nakshatra is forming the abode of the gods under the rulership of Indra. Whenever you talk about Vishakha nakshatra, you talk about Indra, right? So what is Vishakha means? Vishakha in Sanskrit means, it evokes a wide variety of meanings, because every Sanskrit word has so many meanings. Vishakha means forked, two-branched, poison vessel. So, and its alternative name is Radha. Radha means the delightful. So, Radha as a name has gained popularity by virtue of being the name of Krishna's beloved consort, right? So, but Radha actually means the delightful, and that is another name for Vishakha Nakshatra. So, this Radha name is nothing to do with Krishna's favorite consort, but Radha itself has a meaning. It exists in the literature of Sanskrit, and it means the delightful, right? So, Vishakha means, see the meanings: forked, two-branched, poison vessel. So the Indra qualities it is basically describing, right? Its main symbol is a decorated arch or gateway. So in depictions, this particular gateway is usually decorated with leaves, right? So decorated arch, and the arch is usually decorated with leaves. So an arch with leaves, decorated with leaves, is so beautiful, right? So such gateways are still a norm in marriage ceremonies in India. You check any marriage ceremony in India, they build an arch with leaves. So consequently, one can clearly understand that Vishakha has a lot to do with marriage. Vishakha has a lot to do with marriage. When you talk about Vishakha Nakshatra, you talk about marriage also. And most of Vishakha lies in the sign governing marriage, that is Libra. This is a natural seventh house. And in the ancient times, this particular arch or this particular gateway was symbolism of triumph also, that is victory. So it symbolized the ending or attainment of a goal and the beginning of a new one, because marriage is something like you completed your education and all the stuff. You completed a part of your life, and the moment you get married, a new life would be started, right? It's completely a new life. After marriage, the life is completely brand new. And so basically, right, Vishakha, the arch, the gateway, is representing ending or attainment of a goal and the beginning of a new one. Everybody's house has a gate, and when you enter the gate, you're completing the road and you're entering a house. That is a new start. It's a new beginning kind of thing, right? So a marriage is also something like that. And it was a reminder of the fact that challenges don't end once you pass through the gateway after achieving your goal. It just means, of course you came here, you came till marriage, doesn't mean that you achieved some goal. A new goal is started from here onwards. That is the fundamental meaning of Vishakha's energy. Indra, marriage, you attained one goal, but a new goal is begun, right? So that is Vishakha Nakshatra's fundamental meaning. We'll try to understand much more about Vishakha Nakshatra in our upcoming videos. Thanks for watching this video.